Hollywood tonight off of Hollywood and Vine at this billboard, this interactive billboard with water. Let's go check it out. Can we go in?
Right on time.
Oh, thank you.
Step right up.
Oh. That's awesome. We got the splash zone here. I actually think this would have been better during the summer, but you know. At the Percy Jackson and the Olympians billboard. This is for season 2 of their show that's coming out on Disney Plus and Hulu. This is really cool. It's an interactive water show and it's free and open to the public. It's going on now through December 10th off the corner of Hollywood and Vine. Just walk right in. They also have like a cool photo backdrop. And definitely fun to come check it out. Come take your picture.